Welcome to Easy to Learn. Animal and their home. Frog and the home is pond. Turtle and the home is sea. Hawk and the home is rye. Bat and the home is roast. Ant and the home is hill. Duck and the home is pond. Goat and the home is pen. Bull and the home is cattle shed. Monkey and the home is tree. Donkey and the home is stable. Elephant and the home is forest. Cheetah and the home is savannah. Giraffe and the home is savannah. Snake and the home is burrow. Parrot and the home is cage. Fox and the home is burrow. Shark and the home is sea. Rhino and the home is savannah. Squirrel and the home is burrow. Yak and the home is hill. Thank you for watching.